Mikey here at Border International. We're here with Matthew, for our Border Tip Tuesday. What are we doing here, Matt?
Here today, we got a Renegade construction truck in here. Came in for a quick PM. We have one of the customers, they bring them to us and they actually wait for them. So I'm going to go through this truck real quick, change the oil, go through it, grease everything, inspect it, check all the lights, and make sure everything's good to go. That way they can get back to whatever they need to be doing on their job site.
All right, why this is important is this customer brings it in scheduled maintenance to a T. And what makes this so important is what you're gonna see here is a customer that did not do scheduled maintenance. What you see here, you got a lot of dirt, a lot of dust down in the intake housing. This is where your air filter sits, so you have your intake down in here, your air filter sits in here. And why that is important, let's go have a look over here. Thank you, Matt.
Yes, sir.
As you will see what happens when proper air filter maintenance isn't done is you get one of these. This is off that truck. It's what's called dusted. So this thing has very minimal hours. Now it would have been covered under warranty when they asked for specific pictures, and when they inspected the air filter housing and it was full of dust and it was due to lack of maintenance, warranty coverage is off. Customer's now stuck with a $42,000 bill. So take the tip for Tip Tuesday, do your preventative maintenance.